We are a leading provider of transcranial magnetic stimulation, or TMS therapy, which is a non-invasive, FDA-cleared treatment for those patients suffering from depression. We started a business in 2011 with one center in the Washington, D.C. area. Today, we have 43 centers across the U.S. We have treated 4,500 patients and over 160,000 treatments of TMS therapy. In addition, we just completed a $20 million U.S. financing for expansion across the United States. TMS therapy utilizes magnetic pulses to a specific area of the brain, which really controls your mood and regulates your mood. By doing that treatment on a daily basis for 4 to 6 weeks, you retrain the brain to actually begin to produce chemicals naturally as opposed to being chemically induced from drugs. There's 15 million adults in the U.S. who suffer from depression. Of those 15 million, less than half have responded to drug therapy. With drug therapy, whether it's side effects, whether it's not responding to the medication, individuals can have an opportunity to have TMS therapy. So the market size is huge. In fact, last year, only 15,000 patients were treated with TMS therapy. So as you can see, the market size has barely been touched, although the pipeline of patients is significant. In addition to the market size, manufacturers are in clinical trials today on other indications that we at Greenbrook can fold into our center business across the U.S. An example would be OCD was approved last week by the FDA for the treatment on patients. Like every growth organization, we are looking for individuals who share the passion in Greenbrook TMS. One of the hardest areas is to find psychiatrists who are willing to introduce a new treatment modality within their practices. Even more significantly is finding middle managers across the U.S. to manage our business as we go through this growth strategy. In fact, we're at a pace right now where we're hiring 1 employee every week, which is soon to get bigger and bigger. In the TMS space, we're different because we've invested in and built an infrastructure that is a scalable model that can be deployed across the U.S. throughout our growth and expansion plans. In addition, we've had a business group that has done this before and been there, and just recently completed a $20 million U.S. raise to expand our market across the U.S. From a market standpoint, the industry is billions. If you're only looking at just depression and OCD and other indications along the way, more and more people are suffering from mental illness, creating a market size that is barely touched at this time. For people interested in TMS therapy, and Greenbrook specifically, you're looking at the largest provider of TMS therapy, a pioneer in the centers-based business, a group that has been proven in the sense that we've done this before on a larger scale. In addition, we have the proper funding with $20 million U.S. raised and are now listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange. So we have focused goals to expand and bring access to both patients and doctors throughout the U.S. like no other company currently in the market. We're excited to be part of the TSX listing. Number one, it's a reputable listing. It's one of the largest listings in the world. It allows us to access capital for our growth plans, and it also, more importantly, allows us to attract talent, whether they can participate from an ownership standpoint or even go after individuals who can benefit and enhance our current management team. So for us, being part of a public company and the ability to create shareholder value through something that's generating great results for individual patients really comes with a lot of, what I would say, a lot of responsibility and also a lot of pride in doing what we do. I mean, we're changing lives on a daily basis, which not only creates shareholder value, but also creates a great business model.